Welcome to Beyond Repair. My name is Dennis and today we have a 2013 Porsche Boxster 981. This is the cheapest Porsche Boxster that I could ever find anywhere, and it's a clean title car. I actually did the walk around video, but today I'm not gonna brush my teeth. Today I'm trying to fix some issues. And what could be more annoying with your Boxster Cayman, that sticky buttons, climate control, heated seats and so on. So today we're gonna brush some teeth on this Boxster, and today I'm gonna try something to fix those sticky situations. So let me show you what I'm dealing with. We get inside. Thank you. Next, when we take the key, so you'll see what I'm doing and what it does. I would like to try something less invasive, and what I got myself is a 70% alcohol, as well as some shop towels and toothbrush. So I would like to point it out, if you're watching this video, that probably worked for me, because otherwise I wouldn't release the video. Just you have a perspective and we can compare it side by side. See, it doesn't press down, but it goes up. When it does down, it gets stuck. That one is completely frozen. Next, if you try to play with those buttons, they get sticky, stucky, and it's annoying. Cooled seats working, cooled seats working, heater shot. We're gonna remove all the power from the car. We're gonna open up the door so the car will think that we left. And now let's try with the towel and a little bit of alcohol and just clean it up. Also the radio, info, car option, back, navigation, map, those are sticky as well. So I think this towel is gonna be really dirty when we're gonna get started. Let's get to it. So I turn the radio, then I press and hold. That's how I can deal with the knob. And as you can tell, it's somewhat clean right here, right? Let me show you how much I can pull from this knob, because it's sticky. Wash your hands, people. Still dirty. Five minutes later, you won't believe the difference. Remember? Now, before you try this to start the car or do anything, you have to find a clean, dry piece of shop towel or paper towel, and you have to press those buttons and try to dry up them before you start the car, because you don't want to put any power to those buttons until they completely dry. So I highly recommend you to leave them, you see it's still dirt. I highly recommend you to leave them sitting like that for at least like 20-30 minutes before you start the car, and this way you can make sure that all the alcohol, all the water, because it's 70%, it's not a pure alcohol, right, will evaporate, and you probably should not have any issues with the buttons. I say probably because I'm gonna be sitting here and waiting before I turn the car and test it, but for now I need to figure out that one. You see, it doesn't go down, clicks up nicely, but it has to click up and down nicely. So I'm gonna try to attempt fixing this one and that one. That one is still sticky. Also the radio controls, they are okay, but still could use some cleaning, and that's what I'm gonna do. But this is a big result. Look, you don't have to be here to tell the difference, right? Remember, that one was so sticky that it wasn't returning back. So now it's nice, it's working, and all I have left is that guy, those two, and probably will clean up the rest of it just for the good measure. So